Hi, my name is Chukwuemeka. I am the CEO of Revive Limited. Revive makes Revive kits, a set of mechanical and electrical components needed to convert an existing petrol-powered vehicle into an electric vehicle. Our Revive kit is unique in that it allows us to just take out the engine of the existing vehicle, remove what we don't need, the components of the engine that are no longer necessary, and then replace those components with components of the Revive kit that allow it to now run on electricity. We currently run a series of training cohorts where we train technicians on the use of the Revive kit. Our long-term goal is to distribute the Revive kit through trained technicians through franchises across the country and across Africa. So we have a pilot project in Enugu where we demonstrate the viability of electric vehicle application. We have converted over 40 vehicles to date. It is through the pilot project in Enugu, the Revive Mobility Project, that we've been able to expand to other states like Anambra and Benin. The Revive Mobility Project leverages the existing business model for the commercial last mile transportation, which is the lease to own model. We have worked with a total of 3 transport companies across the 3 states. We have been collecting data. Through this project, we've been able to see that commercial drivers are able to take home at least 5,000 naira more money than they would with their normal gasoline-powered vehicle. Our informal transport sector needs a facelift that's long overdue, and here we are with a smarter, more energy efficient, more accountable, and more sustainable solution. We are not importing this revolution. We are building it locally from ground up. Join us.